Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with my winner, and this is for the Win It Before You Can Buy It digital from Decorate Your Life, Sandy here on YouTube, and of course her shop is also Decorate Your Life. I will link it down on the description below so you guys could go over check them out. And basically this was a weekend promotion, and it was basically on this beautiful love letter digitals, and I ended up creating these, and these are some of the digitals, and I went ahead and I made them all into envelopes. So I just wanted to show you guys what I ended up creating with these. I know I showed you guys on the main video what I did, and this is just how I ended up. I just went ahead and made envelopes, and this one was my original right here. There you go. And this is what it looks on this side, and of course you can resize these. That's what I love about digitals, that you can resize them at any size. And for myself, it's very convenient to actually just print these over and over. They're not expensive, you guys. Her digitals, Sandy's digitals, are not expensive at all. I believe it is a well worth purchase. You could print and resize as many times as you would like, and once you buy it, it's yours to forever unless you delete it from your file. But you guys, it's well worth it. And of course, this is what I ended up creating. Just wanted to show you guys, and aren't these beautiful? Oh my goodness. So again, there you go, and this one's the same as this one. But look at that. Oh my goodness. So I had so much fun, and these are so darn cute. So my gosh, amazing. So you guys, who is my winner? Hopefully you guys can see. This is my winner. Congrats, Miss Judy. My scrapbook loft is my winner for this digital, and it will be a digital sent to your email. Just go ahead and contact me, Miss Judy. Let me know that you saw this video, and so I could send Miss Sandy your email, so you could go ahead and collect your digital and print away. Anyways, thank you everybody, and watch out because Sandy will be she'll be having this in her shop soon, so watch out for it. I will link her shop down on the description below, and of course all the other designers that are in this design team. You guys, they are amazing. You guys need to go over check them out. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.